Welcome to the Fund 9 Closeout Report for the Project Catalyst Proposal number 900088, the DripDropz Open Source Voting Tool. This proposal in dApps Products and Integrations category received $150,000 of funds to provide a means to accomplish high-performance, secure on-chain governance. An open-source version of our tool that has now opened up community voting opportunities to all. Our first milestone includes building out a public repository, moving copies of the code out from our private repos, and a wrap-up of the Catalyst Circle v4 vote, which took place on the DripDropz platform using our voting tools. The Catalyst Circle v4 vote ran from December 6th to 16th. 1,140 voters cast ballots representing 66.68 million ADA. The vote allowed users to select their top 5 favorite candidates, with a decreasing amount of voting power accrued to each, a form of ranked choice voting. 5 new Catalyst Circle members were elected, and we shared the results of the ballot with the whole community. Our second milestone was to document our protocol and to show an update on the codebase. The work was progressing well, and Darlington was able to share the pieces of working functionality as well as give some updates on the next steps that were coming. The new user interface was a big part of the work necessary to move the tool off of the DripDropz platform and onto an independent site. The new look is very polished and sharp, so a group wanting to run a vote can have a professional-looking site without needing to have design skills. In our third milestone, we published our entire implementation to a website and linked everything to the Cardano Preview Test Network. That site is now located on preview.openchainvote.com. From there, preview testnet votes can be taken with test ADA to learn the system. This is a great opportunity for someone who doesn't want to spend real ADA to try the tool out. The final milestone was a video of a deployment using Docker to launch an entire copy of the voting system to infrastructure. In the video, Darlington deleted his entire system and rebuilt it, and showed the community that an entire voting platform can be launched in about 7 minutes. You can see the live version of the mainnet system at openchainvote.com. Look there for some upcoming community votes. Darlington has even considered having his blanket named in an on-chain ballot. We learned a few interesting lessons on this project. Taking software from a closed source system and moving it to an open source platform often requires replacing significant parts of libraries and tools that you rely on. This was no exception. We had to choose different libraries and make different architectural choices. We also spent time evaluating the codebase to ensure that if someone deployed this code, it would be as secure as possible. Maintenance of a codebase is also an issue. Our team intends to maintain this codebase for at least 1 year from now, but welcome any collaborators who would like to contribute to the future of this codebase. Now that this codebase is released, members of the public are welcome to deploy copies of our tool to their own infrastructure and host votes, or use the code as examples to build on their own unique tools. We have presented 2 proposals in Fund 10 to offer 2 new features to the voting tool. We feel that an off-chain polling mechanism that is gated on digital asset ownership will be useful to the community. We have also proposed to build on a petition management system that would fix one of the difficulties in the Catalyst Circle vote by allowing the admin to require signature collection prior to being placed on a ballot. We are so thrilled to have received the community's trust in Fund 9 to build out this tool. We hope that you are enjoying using the voting system, and we look forward to building more for you in the future. Thank you for this amazing opportunity.